Do what you got to do in the meantime. Do what you got to do in the meantime. And find those places outside of that work that are meaningful. You know, I did an interview yesterday with this beautiful woman who said she raises chickens. She's a vegan who raises chickens, and she has this summit that she's doing called the Dharma Fest. And she's filming this outside, and the chickens are going off. She's like, you know, chickens are my dharma. And I'm like, that's so awesome. She goes, but I don't sell them or do anything. I'm vegan. And I'm like, this is so powerful, right? Because our dharma is that thing that brings us the joy, right? And you being you, that's your joy. And that's where you find your meaning. And that doesn't always mean, and this could be a whole nother show in the meantime, but I so hate this do what you love and the money will follow thing. I really hate it. It's not true. It can be true. I feel extremely blessed that that's true for me. But what if your dharma is to go build schools in Africa? You might never get wealthy over that. You might never have that be your job, but maybe you have a job that has enough flexibility that you get 2 months off a year. And in those 2 months, you can go build schools in Africa, right? And so let's stop saying, oh, our job has to be our dharma. Maybe your job is just what you make, where you make your money and you find your meaning elsewhere. And in the meantime, if you're burned out, and this is the big piece, if you have to have a job, but you're burned out and you know you're burned out and you can't really create any other opportunities right now because you're burned out, then go to the job, clock in, clock out, and don't bring the job home with you if you can help it. And in the meantime, do everything you can to restore, regenerate, renew yourself. Be sweet to yourself. Treat yourself like you are recovering because you are, and be religious about your self-care until you get over that hump, and then you can start exploring what else is available for you.